Hi, my name is Carrie Hamady, and I'm faculty in the program of Food and Nutrition in the College of Health and Human Services. I'd like to talk to you today about how to stay healthy during these unprecedented times. We get a lot of questions about boosting your immune system during this time, and I would just like to clarify that you can't really boost your immune system, but eating a balanced diet can help to support your health and wellness. One of those ways is to make sure that you're eating a balanced diet. And you can get that through eating fruits and vegetables and adequate protein. I would just like to clarify too that eating canned and frozen fruits and vegetables is a great way to get vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to help support your health and wellness. If you're concerned at all about sodium in canned vegetables, you can rinse them off. If you're concerned about sugar in your canned fruits, you can rinse those as well. Another thing is getting adequate protein. So you want to eat your protein throughout the day. Many of us forget to eat protein with breakfast. And you can get this in a variety of ways through yogurt, eggs, all kinds of stuff. And personally, since I'm home with my kids right now and trying to homeschool them, I know getting a good breakfast in helps keep me sharp when I'm trying to do math with my kids. Another thing is to get adequate sleep. If we're not getting at least 7 hours of sleep a day, it can affect our food choices too. A lot of good research shows that when we're not getting adequate sleep, sometimes we choose sweet snacks maybe the next day, or we tend to overeat. We also want to make sure that we're not eating out of boredom or maybe for emotional reasons. It's a very stressful time, which can affect our sleep and our eating habits. Finally, I'd just like to say, keep washing your hands, staying safe, and stay home. We're all in this together.